So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Call of Dragons here on Swagbucks. Now, once the Swagbucks app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the games icon, and then press on get started. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to the top right to where it says most popular and just sort it from A to Z. Because we're looking for the game Cache of Dragons, we're just going to scroll down to where the C's start. And right here, Call of Dragons. I earn up to 140,000 swag bucks. And if I were to go ahead and press Call of Dragons right here, you have to go ahead and press on get now to download the games. Now, once you guys are done here, just scroll down. And once you guys are completing this game, playing through it, etc., that's how you guys can earn swag bucks, or in this case, SB. And once you guys have enough swag bucks, you can then turn that into real money just by playing the game. So for example, just by completing the tutorial, you'll get 10 swag bucks by upgrading your city to level 8. You'll get 50 swag bucks. And basically, the longer you play through the game, the different ranks you kind of reach, the more swag bucks you guys can earn in the process. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to earn real money by playing Call of Dragons here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.